viewers, and shift our focus to another important update that we have right now. The political battle over the crackdown on student protesters has intensified, with Congress leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, launching a sharp attack on the centre, reacting to the FIRs in action against social media accounts linked to protest. Rahul Gandhi has alleged that the government is attempting to silence the voice of India's youth through intimidation. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has put out a post on social media platform X as well. The political battle over the crackdown on student protesters has now intensified, viewers, with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi now upping the ante. He has launched a scathing attack on the centre. He's reacted on the FIRs and action against social media accounts linked to protest. Rahul Gandhi alleged that the government is attempting to silence the voice of India's youth through intimidation. And this is the post, in fact, that Rahul Gandhi has put out just now. He says, and I'm quoting him here, Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah, you cannot threaten Gen Z into silence. First, you broke their bones. Now you are filing FIRs and taking down their accounts. You are India's past. Be careful about how you treat India's future. So a scathing attack there coming in from Rahul Gandhi. Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, why don't you put things in perspective for our viewers? Because here he's talking about specifically FIRs being filed, action against social media accounts being taken by the government.
Well, see, the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has put out this post on social media X. Now he calls the crackdown of the police against the youth and the students as illegal. Now he's saying that first the police break their bones and then they try to suppress them, or they try to block their social media accounts, and they are continuing crackdown going on students and youth. Now this particular post also has been shared by the other Congress leaders as well. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also put out a similar message. Now the larger picture still remains that the crackdown that we are seeing are on the people who in fact have carried out violence on the security forces, as well as people who have used obscene language against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And today as well, like the Hyderabad crime branch taken action against people who had created morphed video of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and were shared widely in social media. So the crackdown has been taken against those people, but it has time and again it has been reiterated by the central government as well as the state administration, whether you talk about the national capital, which clearly said yesterday that all the FIRs against the students and the youth are being dropped, irrespective of the fact that if anybody has a criminal background or they have been involved in past violence against them, the cases will not be dropped. So leader of opposition have been raising this matter, and the entire Congress party seems to be backing such people.
Right. Sabyasachi, please stay on with us, because it's not just Rahul Gandhi of the Congress party. Other leaders have also started targeting the government on this particular issue. We've now got a reaction from Mallikarjun Kharge as well, the Congress president. And this is a rough translation that we've got for our viewers from Hindi. It says, 10 days ago, your government suppressed the youth with batons, pellet guns. When the students withdrew their movement, now you're filing FIRs against them out of a sense of revenge, forcibly detaining them. The youth, in fact, according to him, withdrew the movement on the condition that no action will be taken against them. And now your governments have gone back on their own word. You are getting the youth social media accounts blocked, girls also being targeted. The arrogance is such that Home Minister Amit Shah didn't even set foot in the parliament today. Kept fearing to give a statement on accountability. Now these won't work as face-saving, image protection tactics anymore. The youth already knows your truth, and they are now demanding Home Minister Amit Shah's resignation. So that is the new demand of the opposition of the Congress party specifically, and now the focus has shifted to the FIRs that are being filed, and now it is Rahul Gandhi, and after Rahul Gandhi we've got a reaction coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge as well, who towards the end mentions that now the youth is demanding in fact Home Minister's resignation.